All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful scone, and check this out. It has an LED light already. It has a large disc, two large discs, right? A golden disc and a white disc inside. Now it has this weight, but just make sure you mount it correctly. You only got 3 cables: the hot, neutral, and then you got the ground too, right? So it's all together, and it even gives you a label. They're all labeled, well labeled. This is the ground, and you see neutral, and then you see live, which is the hot. Beautiful scone. It could be right in your entrance. I'm gonna set it up and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. The scone consists of 2 screws, one here and one underneath. Now, look at it. I'm gonna turn it on and see how well it works. All right, here's the light, if you guys can see it. Beautiful, outstanding light. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. You can see the light bulb underneath of it, right? Everything's shining right around it, around this ring. You can see the light from far away. It looks awesome. It has a spotlight on the bottom. Look at this guy. You can see how big the spotlight is. It covers the whole entire thing. This is perfect for an entrance. Beautiful fixture. I like the whole aesthetics of it. Very simple to install. Took about 2-3 minutes to set up. The wiring took about 4 minutes, so around 10 to 15 minutes it took me. That's because I'm used to setting these up, but if you have an existing light, you should have a problem.